Hello everybody, have a beautiful day. Today in this video I want to share with you my weeping mulberry. I harvesting these almost during a month, and mulberry will give you fruit during a month, and you can harvest per few days some mulberry on your fruit tree. This weeping mulberry doing really good, and I'm really happy with this, even though it is in this part of my yard. In this part it gets just 2 or 3 hours sunlight, but it doing really good and I'm really happy about this. Honestly, I should to tell you, the best thing we can pass it for the future and our family or children is a clean air and healthy nature. So try to plant some fruit tree or some plant. My goal is encourage those people have no big place for grow fruit tree or plants. You can grow them in container. As you know, most of my fruit tree are in container, indoor and outdoor, because I have no big place for grow them. Another thing about mulberry, I should to tell you, mulberry are really superfood. They provide unusually high levels of protein and iron for a fruit, and are also a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, calcium, antioxidant. They are really good for your body, and also they are really beautiful fruit tree. Most of the people are worried about the root system for mulberry, but you can grow them in container. This type of mulberry has no big root system, and you can keep them under control. Other variety of mulberry like kingberry, like white mulberry, grow really fast and you cannot keep them under control. But this type of mulberry are really easy for keep them under control, and they cannot grow really big. So I just want share with you this beautiful time. This is a really beautiful time for me, and some asked me to share some harvest time on my fruit tree. Another thing I want to tell you, you can grow them in container really easy, but do not plant them in just compost. Fruit tree or even roses do not like be in compost. Garden soil and even clay soil is really good for them. As you can see, this part is a dead part. I graft this and it grow in this shape. You can see they can cover themselves with the branches and the leaves, and that will be so beautiful. Imagine if it was in container and they covered themselves, they will be really amazing. As you can see, I put the ball on that part and I'm gonna to harvest some. Those are as you know, it was on the ground, and I have a video about this. I pruned these in winter time because it was really tall and those branches was on the ground. You can see the new branches grow like these. I did prune all around it, and I want to keep it in this shape. I don't want the branch grow really tall on the ground. Hopefully you enjoy with the video. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching me. I really appreciate all of you for supporting my channel. Bye for now. See you in next video.